Okay, YouTube, I'm sorry. I recently did something that I said I would not do. And no matter how hard things got, even when people in my life were in the hospital or passed, or lots of other really bad stuff that happened in the last 365 days, I kept uploading. But this time was different. My dad, I don't know if I can say that word on YouTube, he passed. I was even still uploading after that happened for a couple weeks. Videos are usually filmed a week or two ahead of time anyways. He passed on November 30th of this year, 2024, 1 month before his 80th birthday. And it hit really hard, but it didn't hit as hard as the bad thing that happened earlier this year. So I thought, I'll at least keep working on these videos because that'll keep me going, doing something, so I don't have to think about it, which isn't necessarily healthy, but to me it just seems like doing something is better than being extremely depressed. And it kind of worked the last time. But then I realized I just could not motivate myself to make these 2 videos this week, which is why there was none this past Wednesday. And no matter how hard I tried, no matter how easy the video ideas were, I couldn't do it. And that's when I decided that instead of posting, I had a whiteboard with a bunch of different videos that I had to complete. I was trying to get ahead and do like 7 that week because I had all this extra time since my car wasn't working. And I just erased all of them. And I replaced them with a single to-do list item. That item was find something worth fighting for again. Because I lost that. There's no point in doing anything if you don't know why you're doing it. So in that moment, and this is something that I think I can advise to people, I decided to do something crazy, which you will learn about soon. The moral of the story here is that even if something is crazy, even if you think you can't really afford it, you have the money, but you can't justify it, if it is the thing, the only thing left that still makes you happy, and it can give you back the will to live, I think it's worth the purchase. That's all I'm saying. I still haven't checked off that to-do list item yet for finding that something, but I did a bunch of research. I asked AI what the most meaningful things were that people fought for in life. And there were some really, really good answers there. Some stuff that I could probably really get behind. But my specific one I haven't really found yet. And the next crazy thing I'm going to do is hopefully going to help me find that. If there's anyone watching this, if this year for you has also been the worst year of your life, I'm sorry. It sucks. And I'm really optimistic, and I just kept going, kept pushing through no matter how much PTSD I had. And it just kept getting worse, which is weird. Usually if you stay positive, things get better. But there are times where it did. But I mean, overall, it's just like it goes down farther each time. But I think it's okay. I think sometimes in life, that's just going to happen and it's going to suck. But if you have nothing left to lose anymore, you might as well go big. That's what I'm going to do very soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. I do have a bunch of my more normal videos to get through. I have a bunch of products to battle against each other. So I'm going to try to whip those out as fast as possible. Film them in the next couple weeks, schedule them out, and then start doing the other thing that I'm keeping a secret for this video. You'll find out. Okay, thanks so much for watching. If you resonated with anything I said, hit me up, comment, whatever. I don't talk to a lot of people these days, so there's space in my phone, so blow it up. Peace.